Page 21, the Dresden Blue Mill. Interesting piece. Got lots of accidentals. Look out. In the right hand, E flat G. Next measure, E flat A flat. Watch the fingering, it's fine. And next measure, E flat A natural. And then here. Okay. Second line, fifth finger then. Just watch these accidentals. Third line, you got to come up here. I recommend you just reach up. You have a quarter rest, but I still recommend that you can feel that if you can. Reach up and claps. The accidentals, then claps. You can move the hand. I just like to feel my way around, so I claps the hand, little finger there. Even though I got to lift up for the quarter note, I don't care. I do that. And then in the next line, the fourth line, you kind of come way up here. If you can reach it, just reach up. Otherwise, you got a quarter rest, but still, I like to. And then fifth finger. The last line again. And then for the last two measures, reach up. Third finger. Like so. It's kind of neat. Left hand accompanying. Now in the first line, the left hand can be a little louder because it's all together. It's setting the mood for the piece. Rest, rest, rest. You want to use second finger on that, that's okay, because you can do this. The notes all across the line is that. So if you want to do that, that's fine. Put the hands together, it's a... repeated, you play that twice, but that's what I recommend. And then we go into this broken chord. Same fingering. Third line, you're up here. It's like a blues pattern. Reach down. So the left hand's move around a little bit because we're using the 1, 4, and 5, 7 chords here. Fourth line. Fourth line, third measure, come down. And then the last line. The last measure, there's an 8VA under that. So you come down here for that last one. Slowly you put the hands together. Now this is in 6/4 time. If you just keep a steady pattern on that quarter note, it doesn't matter what the time signature is, just do it. Notice the crescendo there and then come back off. So as you're coming up, get louder and then come back. Louder, louder, medium. Now come back down. Repeat. A little louder, come back down. And then the second line, the right hand is medium soft, the left hand is soft. Don't let the left hand get in the way. No, it sounds terrible. Keep it soft. Follow the dynamics, you're fine. It goes up and down and up and down. Just keep in mind the dynamics given apply to the melody. And the first line, it's all melody, you do it all the same, but after that it's the right hand. And then at the bottom, last two measures, there's a molto ritardando, and your softs you slow down a lot. Then all we got to do is add the pedal. And they're saying overlapping pedal throughout, that's fine, except at the end of the first line, there's a break. Whether you're repeating or not, doesn't matter. There's a break in the sound. And then they're saying it's pretty much legato pedal throughout the rest of it. So the pedal lags behind the hands. There is one pedaling suggestion I want to make here, and that starts, it's starts with the second line through the rest of the piece. They're telling you to change the pedal every measure. I disagree. I think you need to change the pedal with a harmony. You see the first line, we're changing it every measure, but it's also the harmony. You're here, and the next measure you're here. Next measure you're here. You're changing it every time the harmony changes. I think you should continue to change it with a harmony throughout the rest of the piece. So it would be every 3 beats you're going to change it. Here, here, here. Every time you're doing that, change the pedal with that so we don't blur this, all that together. Ugh. No, so change it to... like to hear the quarter rest and all, but I'm not going to complicate the pedaling any more than that. Just change it every 3 beats for the last 4 lines on that. So let's play this very slowly together. I'm not going to do the dynamics, but I'm just notes in the rhythms in the pedal, and let's see if we can move it. You got to get it to where the beat goes on. There's no hesitations or nothing. That would be nice eventually if you could learn to play this without even having to look at the keyboard, but you can feel these changes. Although in the left hand you may have to look when you're moving. So I'm going to give us 6 counts because there's 6 beats in a measure, and here we go, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. Off.